Hi and welcome to my channel Think Digital, and try to make subscribe. Like this we can fix so many problems we found it in this MacBook Pro. So with the new version Big Sur, so many people they found so many problems. For example, like the print what I make in the last video. In this video I will showing you how we can fix the problem from parallel desktop. So right now I needed to go to the parallel desktop from official website and install this version what they have, the last version. After you install it, make sure they will ask you about the trial version. After that, remove this version and come back to the old version what we have right now. Let me go to the download. Going up, parallel desktop. Let's try to install this one. This one, it's cracked, not official version. Double click here. And let's see what's happened when you try to install the old version with the new Big Sur. Big Sur, I forget the Big Sur. So this window showing, let's close it and try to make no use current version. Yeah, accept. Done. You see now, that's the problem what they say in your laptop. Everybody they have the same problem with the Big Sur in the new version. So let me showing you how you can fix it with two steps. First of all, I need you to make OK and go to the terminal from here. And I need you to make this two comment. First one and this one. I will let this comment in the description to make just copy paste in your laptop. So click enter for the first one, the second one, enter, and you will see the parallel desktop working normally without any problem. Use the current version, make your password for your machine, okay. Give him a few moments. I make this video with a version English to let anybody understand what I'm doing here. My original language is Arabic. Like the last video I make it's Arabic. So let's start doing the video with the English version and let's share our information with the world. And don't forget to make subscribe. Like what you see, done. It's working fine and good. Let's be sure and click to the start. This one close, and you see your Windows starting working normally. Done. Our window showing up without any problem and normal. Done. Everything working fine. Network works good. Let's make small test here. And voila. Don't forget to make subscribe and see you the next video soon. Thank you.